Let us discuss with change of origin and change of scale concept. இது என்னங்கிறது நம்ம ஒன் பை ஒன் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டே வரலாம். எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா with respect to measures of averages, with respect to measures of dispersion, with respect to correlation and regression, இங்க எல்லாமே இது யூஸ் பண்ணும். Or the statement will be a direct question, like in the question paper it may be asked as mean is affected by change of origin, true or false, இல்லைனா both, none இப்படி கேட்பாங்க. இல்லை standard deviation is affected by origin or scale. இதெல்லாமே நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். we'll go one by one. Before going for the specific measure, let me go in detail what do you mean by change of origin and scale. I have taken x and y axis here. Let me go for the very first graph. I have taken x and y axis here and have marked the x axis with units 1, 2, 3, 4 and y axis with 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Let me write the scale here. You might have learnt in your lower classes how will write your scale. 1 unit is 1 centimeter. That is 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. If you find in a graph sheet, it will be 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This is with respect to x axis. Am I right? With respect to y axis, this is your y axis. Again, each measures 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4. So the same 1 unit. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Am I right? Fine. Let me have a different numbering with respect to x and y axis here. Let me have a different numbering. For example, I may take this as 10, 11, 12, 13. Here maybe 50, 51, 52, 53 and so on, right? Shall I write the scale here for this graph? Shall we write the scale for this graph? X-axis. X-axis. Here 1 centimeter is, it starts with 10. We have 0 at the origin. It starts with 10, which means that I have the graph sheet overlapped. Or a graph sheet irukku adu overlap panna eppadi irukum, andha madiri irukku. So that's why we have this zigzag line saying that 1 is there ana irukku ana illada madiri. Okay, irukku, but we are not considering. Whether 5 is there? Yes, it's not there in the graph sheet, but there is in the line. It is there in the line. Okay. Units pathina 1 centimeter is taken as 1 unit only. 10, after that 11, after that 12, after that 13. So 1 centimeter is taken as 1 unit only, right? With respect to y axis, again, the numbers from 1 to 49 is not necessary for me. அப்போ நான் graph draw பண்றதுல எனக்கு 50, 55 அந்த மாதிரி தான் தேவைப்படுதே தவிர the numbers below 50 is not necessary for my drawing, for my graphical drawings. அதனால என்ன பண்றேன்னா I am just using the zigzag line saying that is not necessary but still it is in the graph, right? So in the case la 1 centimeter is equal to, again if I check the points here, it's 50, 51, 52, 53 is 1 unit. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Is it okay? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Let me go for the third graph. Before going for the detailed explanation what I have done here and here, let me go for this graph. Same x-axis and y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. For the x-axis, let me have 5, 10, 15, so on as the values, right? For the y-axis, let me have 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, right? And let me have the scale here with respect to x-axis, and we find that 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. 5, 10, 15 multiples of 5 are so 5 units. Is it okay? With respect to y-axis, I write here 1 centimeter is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, which means 2 units. Is it okay? Now at this graph, you may be finding a small difference in presenting the scale. Koncha difference irukku because of this values, right? Let me go here. Again, before giving the explanation, let me go here and fit the values with a different combination. X-axis, y-axis. Let me take this value as 10, 11, 12, 13, so on. So 0 to 9 is not necessary. Here let me take it as 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, right? And the scale here with respect to this graph is x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Am I right? 10 irukku, 11 irukku, then 12, 13 continues with respect to 1 unit difference. So 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Is it okay? With respect to y-axis, I have 1 centimeter is equal to 2, 4, 6 in multiples of 2. So this is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. Is it okay? Now this was my original graph which I used to have 1, 2, 3 on the x-axis and also 1, 2, 3 in the y-axis. Just check the difference in the scale alone. You note just check the difference in the scale alone. Here it is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Is it okay? Here it is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, the same. No changes in the scale. But if you see the graph, you can find some changes here because there is no 9 present in this graph. Graph sheet la irukkalam. But ennoda graph la adu thevalla, right? There is no 9 present here, there is no 45 present here. Okay, idha a small changing irukku. But the scale remains same. The scale remains same. If you go for checking this one, the x-axis scale is 1 centimeter is 5 units. Here we had 1 unit and 1 unit, but here the change is 5 units because we are taken in multiples of 5. And y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Again there is a change here. Here it was 1. Here also it was 1. Here it was 2. In the changes edanala vandadunu pathina, here where is the origin? Normally where is the origin check panningana? It is next to 1. Am I right? Where is the origin? It is next to 1. But where is the origin here? It is next to 10. So what I have done here is, in the x-axis line la 0, 1, 2, 9, 10, I have shifted this origin over here. You understand? Inga enak origin enga irukuna 10 pakkathula vandirukku. So what I have done is I have shifted this origin over here. Probably if you take a paper and check, paper madichi vechingana and eppadi irukum, andha mari irukum. You just go for a overlapping of the paper, andha madri irukum. In the mari panna, you will call this a shifting of origin, which is called as change of origin. Okay. Likewise, if you go for y-axis, up to 49 is not necessary. Appo indha mari vertical aduthana, I have 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, 49 here, 50 here. Up to 49 is not necessary. Appo na enna pannana, paper madichi vekkira mari. Just I overlap the papers. Appo inga irukka 0 va na 50 pakkathula shift panniruken. I have changed the origin. This is what you call as change of origin. This is what you call as change of origin. Is it okay? Fine. If you come here, you are checking the same change of origin here? Definitely no. Yena inga 0 irukku, inga 5 irukku, which means that 1 is present here. Am I right? 2 is here. 3 irukku. Ella values in graph la irukku. Probably if you want to draw any diagram or you want to draw any graph with having 0.5 as the value, yes, you will mark it here. Am I right? But ide graph la, if you want to have 0.5 as the value or even 5 as the value, you cannot mark it here. 5 or 10 mark panna mudiyadhu. Then na consider pannirukku origin enga irukku, shift panni vechirukku origin. Okay. But inga eppadi irukku na, I have 1 here, I have 2 here. If I want to talk about 10.11, yes, it is very closer to this point. All the points are available here. On a scale parangla, 1 centimeter is 5 units. 1 centimeter is 2 units. This is what you call as change of scale. This is what you call as change of scale. We have two concepts. One is change of origin and one is change of scale. Idu na enna pannalana, in terms of arithmetic operations ah maathalam. In terms of arithmetic operations, as you know, we have 4 operations: plus, minus, multiplication and division. I am shifting the origin now. Change of origin. What I am doing? I am just traveling from this place to this place, right? Appa addition pandrena atho. In case if you go towards the negative axis, it's not only you go towards the positive, you can take it towards the negative also. Appa positive la move panningana plus, negative la move panningana minus. Is it okay? So negative or positive, that is depending on the operations, plus or minus, right? X axis ko irukkalam, y axis ko irukkalam. So if there is a change in the variable with respect to positive or negative values, with respect to positive or negative values, which means that positive or negative in the sense addition or subtraction I mean pandra. You need not fix in your mind as positive or negative, you can have it as plus or minus itself. So if you do any change in the variable with respect to plus or minus, you call this as change of origin. Please remember, change of origin neenga enna pandringa, origin shift pandringa, either forward illana backward, so plus or minus, right? Change of scale, inga enna pandringa, 1 unit. See, 1 unit is a multiple of 5 now, so you have taken 1 into 5, right? Inga 1 unit is a multiple of 2, so they have taken this as 1 into 2. So each 1 unit is now 2 units. Apdiya, inga enna pannum, 1 unit illaya original. Inga enna pannum, 2 units. Appo each 1 unit is a multiple of 2 units mari marichu. Inda marichuna you are changing the scale. It's not like you can take it as only 5 units or 2 units. You can consider this as a half unit also. 0 irukku, instead of 5, 10, 15, I may consider this as half. Because I want to have an elaborated graph. Neenga edavadhu statistics la paathirpinga, not statistics in the sense of what you are studying for the exam I mean pannala. Neenga probably graph edavadhu news la paakumbodhu paathirpinga. We want to have an elaborated graph na, you will not have one here. You will not have 1 here. You may be having 0.5 here. Inga 1 irukum, which means that you have elaborated this 1 unit as now 0.5, this 1 centimeter as 0.5, which is division. Divide by half பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. இது வந்து என்ன சொல்றோம்னா multiplication or division ல வரும். This is what you call as change of scale. This comes in the case of multiplication or division if you want to relate with the arithmetic operations. So change of origin could be linked with addition or subtraction. Change of scale could be linked with multiplication or division. Why this graph here? You can easily understand now. Here I have taken a zigzag line. There is a break or there is a shift of origin to 10. Then as usual 11, 12 as it is. So x-axis la 1 centimeter is 1 unit, right? Y-axis 0 is here. Can you find 1 here? Yes, it is here. Can you find 4.5 here? Yes, it is here. எல்லாமே இருக்கு. அப்படினா இது ஸ்கேல் மட்டும் மாத்தி இருக்கேன். 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. In this case, it's nothing but change of origin. It's nothing but change of origin and also scale. You understand? Change of origin and also scale. இங்க axis பார்த்து நம்ம டிஃபைன் பண்ணலாம். Obviously நமக்கு எக்ஸாம்ல வந்து axis எல்லாம் கொடுக்க போறது இல்ல. இதோட ஃபார்மேட்டே வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Probably you might have learned some problems of y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, then what will be y bar if x bar is given? What will be y bar if x bar is given? அப்போ இந்த x into இந்த வேல்யூ நடந்துருக்குல்ல. See, I have x here. I have y as a plus bx. Is it okay? I have y as a plus bx. I have x. இந்த x எப்படி y ஆ மாறுது பாருங்களேன். I multiply this x with b. Okay, now this becomes bx. Am I right? Which is nothing but change of scale, right? This is change of scale. Now, with this bx, what I am doing? Adding. Inga plus a dana. Appa plus a na adding dana. I take a, that is plus a. Now this becomes a plus bx. Am I right? This is nothing but change of origin. Question la eppadi irukona? A measure, probably mean is a measure which is affected by change of origin and change of scale on kepanga. Yes, definitely is affected. Affected na enna artham? Y oda nature a plus bx vechi maarichuna inga b mara y marum. Am I right? A mara y marum. So இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்ல if x bar is given to be 3 னு வெச்சுக்கலாம் for example, then what is y bar if it is y is equal to 3 plus 2x? This may be a question. அப்ப நாம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? 3 plus 2 into x bar is 3. Direct substitute பண்ணுவோம். Why we are substituting here is because it's affected both by change of scale and origin. It's affected both by change of scale and origin. இதெல்லாம் தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா டைரக்டா மல்டிப்ளை பண்றோம். The behind work பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது okay, behind work graphically represent பண்ணும்போது அது. So change of origin na I'm shifting the origin to some place. I'm shifting the origin to some place. That's why we take the operation plus or minus. Here in this case we are changing the scale. Origin is there now, the same place when the origin exists, but we are changing the scale, plus or division. Sorry, multiplication or division. Here change of origin and both scale. So all the 4 operation comes inside. Plus varlam, minus varlam, multiplication, division in terms of this value. In the subsequent video we will deal with respect to mean and standard deviation using a small illustration problem. Inga nama graphically paathom. In case ஒரு சின்ன problem வந்தா அது எப்படி டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம்னு பார்க்கலாம். In the subsequent video we will discuss.